It's been a while, Tim. Good to see you, sir. Why don't we start with Regeneron? What are your views?
Hello, Tyler. Great to be here. Look, I think on Regeneron, this Iran news this week is massive. Is it a game changer? I'm not sure. It's clearly a positive. And the question is, for how much longer do they extend pricing on this high dosage drug that clearly data shows doctors and patients will want? But you've revalued the stock, as you mentioned, 23%, effectively 30% from when this news started to percolate in. Is that worth $30 billion in the valuation, which is more or less what we did to Regeneron, which already I think had gotten some pretty good news. Their Libtayo drug, their oncology story, their pipeline looks better. Stock's had a great run. This isn't a story of a company that's not producing. It's a story where a lot has been priced into this. And in biotech, I think you have other places to be. So I would be a seller here.
All right, next up, Tim, you have Match Group. What do you like about it?
Well, Contessa, I tell you what, I would swipe right, and let's be clear, I'm not breadcrumbing on this one. I think it's a case where really, look, the long-term growth story here is 13 to 15% over the next 5 years. They are the largest leader in the online dating. We, all are aware the size of this addressable market. I just think, the Tinder reorg is something that's had the market concerned. I think the COVID comps and the pull forward are why this stock has struggled. And obviously, it's massively struggled. So the stock's pulled back 60% off the 52-week highs. Never a reason to buy. But if you look forward and you look at a 26 times multiple with that kind of growth on 23 numbers, again, for the leader in the space, with the space having a secular tailwind, that to me is actually very interesting. Good support for the stock at these levels. I like it.
Worth a bet on Match? How about a bet on Caesars?
Well, it's with great irony that I think the digital side of their business and the TV commercial that's every other commercial out there, seems like it's Caesars or DraftKings or one of these other ones, is really what's holding the stock back. If you look at their last quarter numbers, they had record numbers both on the Strip and in their regional properties. The digital lost less than expected. And in fact, what was once a reason to get very excited, and their acquisition last year of William Hill Properties was a big catalyst for the stock. But really at its core, this is a company that's executing and generating free cash flow. And probably most importantly for the investor community, also paying down debt. So I think an unassuming valuation at around 9.5 times 23 EBITDA. It's had a major pullback. I think the stock's very interesting. The digital is bonus. I actually believe they've got the largest loyalty group out there with 60 million or so strong. So like Caesars a lot here. I think the run is just beginning.
The market has had a nice week. We began our program today talking about inflation and whether it has peaked and may be turning down or even collapsing, to borrow Insana's word. Where are you on those two things, the markets and inflation?
Look, I think the labor inflation is still something that stays with us. Obviously, the Fed won't come out and say that they're targeting the labor market. Clearly, we need higher participation rates. We need to see the unemployment rate go higher. Look, the market's going to like the ability to rally into what I think headline will be a light CPI print next week. Clearly, gas prices have come down. Clearly, you have some headlines that should be appealing. And in fact, I think for the market, with the Fed going on silence till this week, no Fed rhetoric into that meeting either. So good news on inflation.